All right. And today's objective, we are doing whole numbers, part 1. Only, Anandita, I only see your work. Jera, I didn't see any of your online results. Do you have your printout in soft copy, like you print out this in a soft copy like that? Otherwise, if I go through, then you don't have the question.
No.
You don't have, Do you know that you can download?
I did the worksheet.
You already what? Done, huh?
No, I don't have the printout.
Oh, you didn't have the printout. But do you know where to get the worksheet or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you be able to download now from the system? Do you know how to go to the system?
No, because now my son
Is mommy, daddy at home to help you with the system?
my dad does know, but only my mom, but she's at work.
Oh, okay. So you cannot. Okay. So no choice. You have to see whatever I have for the slide for today. Okay. But if you need help on how to retrieve the worksheet, you can call up the 88 tuition teachers there. Check with them. How can you do it? They will guide you step by step. Okay. But for the time being, I need you to have writing materials. Get ready with your writing pen, with your paper, eraser, so that you can work it out together with me. Can you do so?
Yeah.
Okay. Anandita, you also have your writing materials with you? Okay, another important thing, do you have water bottle with you? It's a hot day, so I want you to drink more water. Don't fall sick, okay? Okay, get ready. Okay, are you good in your timetable or not in the first place? Jerry smile. Okay, all right, work this out. 346 multiplied by 12. Okay, why I'm asking you, can I share something with you, something fun one? How you do 7 times table, 8 times table, and 9 times table. You all want to learn or not? This do not say a trick, but it is something interesting that many of them actually didn't know also. Okay, let me insert the slide to show you. Okay. Let's do this. I start to share this because I basically when they start class for the existing students, they should know already. So you all are so special. I have the time with you. I'll share this interesting knowledge. Okay. Look. Now for 7 times table, I want to show you using. You know what is called tic-tac-toe or not? It looks like a tic-tac-toe. Okay. So I start with this color first. Maybe I start with green. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to write the ones column first to fill this up. Column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see this? Ones column, I fill from left onward, down, then come to towards right side. Did I do that? So now the next thing, I change my color. I'm going to write here. With this side called right side first, towards the left, right to the left. Look, starts with 0. And then 1, 2. Okay. Then when you are here, you stop and start 2, 3, 4. Copy, paste 2, 3, 4. Stop. Then you start 4 again. 4, 5, 6. And that equals for your 7 times table. Okay, interesting or not? Do you see the 7 times table? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 63, 56, and 63. You know how does this work? You want me to repeat again?
Oh.
You want me to repeat?
Wow.
You got it. Gerard,
Yes.
yeah, so you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the ones column. Now I'm doing the tens column. I start from 0, 1, 2, stop, copy, paste, go to 2. Okay, wait, it seems that you didn't see my cursor. Are you able to see my cursor here or not? Moving cursor, can okay, I repeat, I have 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is a continuous number. But when you come to tens column, I start with 0 in blue, 0, 1, 2. I stop here and I copy 2. Again, on the second row, 2, 3, 4. I stop here. I have a 4. I bring down, copy, paste, 4, 5, 6. You see the pattern how I move? So it forms a 7 times table. Okay, you want to learn the 8 times table or not?
No, I already know.
8 times table you know, but how it works?
I don't know how to do my 8 times table.
Okay, you want me to share 8 times table how to do that?
Yes.
Okay, since we have some little time, let's share a bit. Okay, let me how to say, give you another empty slide here. Okay, give me a minute. I have to give the extra slide first. Okay, so this one is 8 times table. Also interesting, Okay, so I divide this into 2. Okay, the reason is I want to do another timetable here. So this is 8 times table. Let's do this. All right. See, I'm going to draw this line. I'm going to draw this line. It comes with a tens column. Okay. And then it comes with a ones column. Right. All right. I want to do this. I want to start from 2. Wait, let me check. Okay, I want to start from here, 0. Look what I do. I do this in this 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Do you see that I'm going upward? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I'm going to copy and paste here. That means 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Do you see this? Okay, now I'm going to change my color to this one. In the 10th column, I start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Okay, copy, paste. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see? If I were to do this, I'm going to do it black. Do you see 8? 1 times 8 is 8. 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. So I call this copy and paste. Okay, interesting, right? How about 9 times table? You want to know about 9 times table? What is the facts of the pattern? Okay, that I will want to do in purple. Try to do 9 times table here.
I know how to do the 9 times table.
Okay. All right. Now, how you want to do your 9 times table?
I know.
How?
First, for the ones place, we just do the same thing, but we do like hold on.
Like
0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
so what is my number here? 9? Is
Yeah.
it 9?
Wait, no, sorry, not this one. I mean 0, 0. This is 0. 0,
Oh, this is 0,
9,
9,
8,
and then
7, 6,
and then
5,
and then
4, 3, 2, 1. And then after that we know there's no 0 there.
and then what is next now?
And then first you just write hold on, wait. Wait, I'm sorry. There's wait. Let me think.
I think the 0 should be below, right?
Yeah. There is
Yeah.
supposed to be in the below.
Very good. So what about next one?
And then we just do the opposite 9 here. 8, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
But do you know there is something very common? Let me do it in red. This is so fascinated. Now, what is 0 plus 9 give you?
Is 9.
1 plus 8 give you?
9.
2 plus 7?
9.
3 plus 6?
Again 9.
4 plus 5?
9.
5 plus 4?
9.
6 plus 3?
9.
7 plus 2?
9.
8 plus 1?
9.
9 plus 0?
9.
Yeah, so these are the facts, no? Okay? Something interesting just to share with you. Okay, so for those who wants to strengthen their timetable, they can use this. Okay, then they can practice again and again. So these are techniques and tricks lah. But tricks and I should say they are called tricks and facts. Correct not? So they are not just tricks. I call this tricks but facts. Okay. Then the previous one is tricks but fun.
Fun.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Gerard, how you think of this method that we have adopted here so far?
It's actually good and useful.
Yeah, thank you. Wow, hope that you like it, but this is just a little fun thing to add on. Okay, Ken? Okay, let's take a look here. The product of 3, 4, 6. Okay, let's take a look. The product of 346 multiplied by 12. Okay, so what is 6 times the 2 here? That means I need to do this, okay? I will do this. Multiply by 2 first. Okay, so I have a 12, 9, 6, and I'm going to do a tens column. So for the tens column, I will have to do this. Okay, but I need to add a 0, 6, 4, 3. Okay, so I need to add both up. That will get down to 2, 5, 11, and 3, 4.